I've always been on the lookout for something that I can offer my clients that solves a problem in a simple way. A niche that was relatively untouched in my area. Something that lets my business shine and allows me to make a decent profit and get in and out of the customer's home quickly while making a profound improvement. Zabitat PRO Plus does just that with their door transformation program. It allows me to upgrade an existing door at a fraction of the cost of a full door replacement. I can add, replace, or modify the door glass in an existing door, install new door hardware, change the weather seal, and even install retractable screens and storm doors. The process is simple. I assist the customer in selecting a glass, measure the door, order the glass, and schedule the installation. The installation is complete within an hour and the homeowner is amazed with the results. A fresh new look with more natural light and an affordable price with very minimal disturbance to their home. My Zabitat PRO Plus account is just as simple with access to high quality products from great brands like ODL, Western Reflections, Yale, Larson, and Anderson. Most available through the easy to use website so I can find the product I need and get it ordered quickly. All from my office or job site using my mobile device. Shipping is better than expected. Because of multiple distribution centers, I receive my products on time as promised. On top of my Pro Plus discount, my Pro Plus membership gives me access to training, product samples, catalogs, and brochures, even assistance with lead generation, and I also have the ability to do installations for Zabitat customers. Their technical professionals are always ready to help with installation, order, and product-related issues. Zabitat has been wowing customers for over 6 years now, and as an ODL company gains from over 75 years experience in the industry. As a Zabitat PRO Plus partner, this puts me right in the front row seat so I can benefit from this new emerging trend. Zabitat PRO Plus is definitely what I've been looking for. Register today to become the first in your market to offer this amazing service at www.zabitatpro.com.